In this video, I'll show you how to make an assembly drawing with a parts list of your delivery rocket. To do this, after you've finished your model, you'll go over to the workspace button on the left and choose from it the animation workspace, and then you'll press M on the keyboard. That's to move the components, and you can click on that nose cone tip, just raise it up, and do the same for the body. What you need to accomplish is to have each of these parts separated so you can see them all at the same time on the same page. And so there's actually several parts here, and in this case we might choose to instead move these to the side. Probably best to keep them in their proper alignment. Let's see. Let's go ahead and scoop these off. Once I have them all off, let's see. Let's make sure each of these is off. So I'm going to put, so probably the outermost should be first, which would be the rings, since that corresponds with the elements of the rocket being widest. And then there, the mount underneath that. Try to keep my space more consistent. And then the, actually, it should be clip then mount. Clip. And mount. And the engine case. Actually, I'm going to treat this as just a single thing, because that's just the chemical propellant inside of the engine, and the engine, or the motor mount, as well as the clip for it and the centering rings, and then we have the body and the tip. Really, I mostly would just want to see you do at least the body and the tip. This would be a little bit more thorough version of it, where I've separated each thing in a line so that you could push them all back together and it would be assembled. So after doing that, I'll click OK, then go back to the workspace button, choose drawing from animation, and then press OK and give it a moment to generate. And I will then place the view here. I'm going to kind of try to leave a good amount of room for the numbers up here. Then I'll go to add the parts list. I'm going to go to tables, click on parts list, and then lock it to the top right corner. Here you can see that I've got each of the various pieces. And with that, you'll just get a screenshot and turn it in.